In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to play Tekken 5 Dark Resurrection on PC or consoles. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. So, Tekken Dark Resurrection was originally released for PlayStation 3 and PSP. As of today, there isn't an official port on PC or other consoles. However, you can still play this game. So, to play this game on a PC, you will have to use an emulator. The most popular choice is going to be RPCS3. Now, I want to make a very clear disclaimer. You shouldn't pirate games. Of course, it is against the law, against the terms of service of YouTube for me to show you how to do it. There's nothing wrong with using an emulator, but you need to purchase your own legitimate copy of the game. After you purchase an original copy of the game through one of these official stores or an official storefront, then you will be able to use the files of that copy to run the game. There are ways in which you can acquire the game, but like I said, I am not going to discuss them in this video, and you should proceed on your own discretion. But when you visit the website for the emulator, click I understand and download it from here. Once you have the emulator downloaded, like I said before, you will have to find a way to acquire the game files. The main way will be through using a CD or an official copy of the game where you can extract the necessary files to run it on your PC. So after you have the necessary files to run the game, you run the emulator and you are good to play. On consoles, you will have to look through digital storefronts to see if the game is available because, of course, this emulator is not going to be available. But as long as you run the emulator through PC and you have the files needed to run it, you will be able to play. I hope I was able to help you. If this video helped you or answered any questions that you had about Tekken 5 Dark Resurrection, consider subscribing. As you can see, 83% of the people watching our videos are not subscribed. If you subscribe, you can help us from the channel bring you the highest quality videos related to Tekken and other games, so I highly count on your support. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.